Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be changing this gasket on the top oven. As you can see, if I can focus, there we go. It's kind of perished and it's broken away and snapped in the middle, pieces come off. Also, we're losing a lot of heat from the top oven, so it's kind of just time for a replacement. Removing the old gasket is quite easy. All we do in each corner is a little tab and we're just going to pull it out, and you can see the hole there and the little tab that goes in. So we're just going to pull the gaskets out and that's done. So here you can see the old gasket on the outside, and on the inside the replacement part. With the old gasket, a piece had kind of perished and snapped off in the middle there, and you can also see how the gasket is kind of really stretched out and become very loose. To find the replacement part, I just went onto the supplier's website and I put in the model number of the oven. Nice and easy. This oven is a hotpoint, and you can see the model number just there, and also you can get more specific details from the barcode on the side. Okay, so to install the new gasket, I'm just going to clip each corner in, and that should be it. Nice and easy, so here goes. There. That goes there. That goes there. That's all done, nice and easy. And now we've got a nice sealed oven.